Afternoon all. Today we're going to make chocolate chip cookies with pecans in them. Before I get started with that, I would like to ask you a favor to please subscribe, like the videos, and share them. My aunt had over 200 recipes. I'm trying to get them all out. And I'll be back when I get everything set up for the chocolate chip pecan cookies. Okay, so we're gonna start with a stick of butter, softened. You're gonna get a half a cup of brown sugar and a half a cup of white sugar. And you're gonna put this all in the mixer. Brown sugar. Pat down your brown sugar. Okay, and you're gonna cream this for a couple minutes and I'll be back. Okay, now we're gonna add an egg and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. And start preheating your oven to 375. And mix this up. And I'll be back. Okay, if you would like, you can put a teaspoon of vanilla in. My vanilla's just pretty strong, so I use just a half, or a half teaspoon. But you can put in a teaspoon if you would like. Okay, now we're gonna get our sifter out. We're gonna put 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour in. Then you're gonna take a half teaspoon of baking soda and a half teaspoon of salt. And 2 tablespoons of cocoa. And you're gonna sift all this together. And then just stir it up a little. Okay, then you're gonna mix this in by spoonful into your mixer, into that wet batter. I'm trying to keep it away from my mixer, it's so loud. Then you're gonna get a half cup of chopped pecans. I did mine kind of medium fine, so you still have some chunks, and pour that into the mixer. Beat it up a little. And then you're gonna get a cup of chocolate chips, semi-sweet. And mix this up. Then you're gonna drop these 2 inches apart on a greased cookie sheet. My cookie sheet is non-grease, so I'm not gonna put the grease on it. By spoonful. Come over here. Okay. These are gonna cook for about 10 minutes. So just drop your cookie dough. About 2 inches apart. That looks a little big. Okay. Keep doing this and bake them, and I'll be back. Just remember, please subscribe, share, like. As I said in the beginning, my aunt had over 200 recipes. I'm trying to get them out, and I need your help. So if y'all could help me out, that would be wonderful. I'll be back. Okay, we got our cookie sheet loaded, and we're gonna put it in for about 10 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, our buzzer just went off. Pull out your cookies. And you can put them on a cookie rack. And then you can load up your cookie sheet again. And that is chocolate chip pecan cookies. I hope you all enjoy this recipe. And again, please subscribe, like the videos, share the videos. It will really help me build this channel up. And I'll be back tonight. We're having Southern chicken pot pie. I'm gonna start making my broth right now. So you guys have a good afternoon, and I'll see you tonight.